When an X-Page builder is listed in Assign or Run Unrestricted Methods and Operations field and Full Access Administrators field, what level of access will they have to run X-Page? Option A. They will have the same rights as if the X-Page was assigned agent. Option B. They will have unrestricted rights with full administration rights. Option C. They will have unrestricted rights without full administration rights. Option D. Runtime rights are assigned by the X-Page builder inside the X-Page CLI, not in the Domino server document. The correct answer is option C. Domino includes both Domino server roaming and file server roaming as an option in this release for end users. You wish to upgrade one group of users to Domino roaming and another group to file server roaming. How would you do this? Option A. Domino server roaming and file server roaming can only be performed from a policy and not from the admin client. Option B. Domino server roaming and file server roaming can only be performed from the admin client, and not a policy. Option C. Domino server roaming is performed from the admin client, and file server roaming is performed from a policy. Option D. Domino server roaming is performed from a policy, and file server roaming is performed from the admin client. The correct answer is option C. Joseph implemented DAOS in his Domino server environment successfully. As the environment grew, he reached the operating system limit for DAX files stored in the designated directory. Which of the following will occur when this operating system limit is reached? Option A. DAOS will begin to create subdirectories as needed. Option B. DAOS will be unable to service new attachments until some are deleted from DAOS. Option C. DAX will not respond to any requests until the administrator resolves the issue. Option D. DAOS will stop collecting attachments and route them to the user's mail files. The correct answer is option A. The Domino server running Lotus Traveler must have which of the following access rights to the user mail files it will be serving to mobile devices? Option A. Manager with all rights. Option B. Author with delete rights. Option C. Editor with delete rights. Option D. Designer with delete rights. The correct answer is option A.